Hi, Le Cocktail Connoisseur. I'm Niccolo Mazzucchelli. We are in Milano at GRAMM Cafe, and today we are going to make our version of Paloma style cocktail. It's called Denis Rodman because the main theme of our drink list nowadays is stars of NBAs from the 90s, and of course Denis Rodman is one of them. And you also understand why we call this cocktail Denis Rodman at the end of the cocktail. So we start with the 45 ml of tequila cooked with lemongrass. Okay. After that, we add in 15 ml of honey pollen syrup. Then after, we go with the verjuice to give acidity to the drink, since we are not using the lime. 15 ml. Perfect. To give a little bit of sweetness to the cocktails, we put inside the crème de pêche. 1 bar spoon. And as a last ingredient, we have 4 drops of saline solution that balance everything inside the cocktails. So 4 drops. Là. After that, we put inside the cocktails our beautiful chunk of ice. Okay. And as it is a Paloma, we have this top of grapefruit soda. Okay, we mix it a little bit. Okay. So the garnish is one of the most important aspects of this cocktail because it reminds of the personality of Denis Rodman, which is a guy that likes to play with his hair. So we wanted to remind to the color and to the personality of Denis Rodman. So guys, this is Denis Rodman. Cheers.